How to fix Google Play payment declined. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide in how you can fix Google Play payment declined. Now if you're trying to purchase any sort of apps or movies from here on Play Store, and if you try to pay it and Google Play Store says the payment has been denied and you're wondering how you can fix it, well, this is the correct video for you. Actually, it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through straightly to the video. What you want to do is you want to tap on the file icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, what you want to do is you want to tap on payments and subscriptions option. Here you want to tap on payment methods, and if you have any payment methods added here, it'll show up right up here, right? So here you can see I don't have added any payment method. So once you have added here, you should find it here. You want to tap on it and you want to tap on edit, or you want to tap on more payment settings option here, or if you tap on more payment settings option, it will prompt you to the Google here, and on Google it will prompt you to account payment option here. Now if you have the particular payment option, what you want to do is you want to first delete that one, and then you want to add another new payment method, the similar payment method, the same one. Now you just want to remove that and you want to add it again. So this will help you fix the issue. So this way you can fix Google Play payment declined. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.